Welcome to my Binance channel Rehan Investment Pro. So guys, today I'm gonna telling you why this trade is fair. Okay, here you can see the one resistance. I will show you. This is the resistance. Okay, market came down. Okay, and he made one resistance. How? Here you can see market came from this side and again rejected and market went down. Okay, here you can see very clearly market came this side and here to reject it, and then market came again this side for breaking this resistance. He break this resistance. Here you can see clearly, if you look from this side, here is market break this resistance, but market retested again downside. It means market is rejected. Market is again rejected. It's supposed to be go bullish from this side, but it's not break out. This is not a breakout. Why? I'm gonna telling you 1 minute. Okay, if you see this next candle, he tried to break this one. He tried to break this one, but he didn't break because he made one resistance. If you look from this side, this is not a clear breakout. This is not a clear upside trend. Here is our mistake, not the market mistake. This is our mistake. I will accept this is my mistake. Okay, this is not market mistake. This is my mistake. Here you can see this line and this candle. This candle is supposed to be closed this side. This candle body is supposed to be closed this side. If market, if this candle body closed this side, it means this is the normal. Market will not be go up because there is no chances to go up. Yes, it does not close this side. And here you can see market started consolidation. See this consolidating. And I'm gonna telling you one more secret. Here you can see is big resistance. This is very big imbalance. You can say like imbalance and FVG. See, this is the imbalance. Okay, so you know about it. This imbalance, when the market come to picking the orders from imbalance, then market will go down. Even if the downside imbalance or upside imbalance, here is the same reason we cannot notice before. Okay, now I notice there is one imbalance, and second, market rejected from the too many times from this side. Here you can see clearly one time rejection, second time rejection, third time rejection, and then fourth time rejection. Here market supposed to be break this zone and make above the body from this side. Then we will decide it is the bullish, but is not bullish. Here you can see market came again down from this side, again down, because he just want to hitting the stop losses over. Okay, so be careful. If you want to look breakout, make sure your 1 hour time frame is very good time frame. You can look from this side breakouts. Thank you so much. Love you.